Today I will show you how to delete bulk emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. First thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. Once you're done with that, I want you to come to the search bar here. Now, deleting bulk emails can come in two forms. You can either want to delete bulk emails from a particular sender. That way, once you type the sender, you're going to see all the emails from the sender. Or you can decide to delete some emails with a particular subject. So to delete the emails with a particular subject, you need to come here to this show search options, and you're going to click on the subject, and in the subject you're going to add whichever word that you want to filter in the subject names. So once we use business, you can see all these emails that has business in their subject, and we're going to delete all of this. And to delete all of this, you're going to click here at this top select button. Once you click on it, it's going to select all of the emails. And once you click on delete, it's going to delete all of the emails. And that's how you delete emails in bulk in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.